This month, Life Insurance Strategies Group is in London, in the city of Westminster, and I'm standing in front of the ceremonial horse parade grounds on the end of St. James Park. Now this month, we've been getting a lot of inquiries around people who live in the United States but are citizens and tax residents of another country, or vice versa, that they're Americans who live elsewhere. And we've run into situations where US brokers are telling these people, hey, we can source foreign national capacity or death benefit on your life from a US carrier. Well, that's all fine and good, but that doesn't necessarily make the insurance compliant in that person's other country of residence, of tax residence. So for instance, here in the UK, if you're an American and you're an expatriate and you live here, you're subject to taxation both in the US and here, meaning the insurance product you buy should be dual tax compliant. And what does that mean? Well, a US product's not necessarily going to cut it. The kind of inside buildup that UK law allows is not as generous as the law allows in the United States. So you could be creating a tax burden by having an American expatriate who lives in the UK buy a US life insurance product. We've got another situation recently where someone who's a German passport holder, so a tax resident in Germany, lives there, but also is a US citizen. So they have a US passport. So they need to have a product that is both US compliant and German compliant. Again, just a simple US product is not going to cut it. So if you're someone that lives in multiple countries, that you're subject to different tax jurisdictions, just don't look for one solution. You're going to perhaps need a couple solutions or a solution that is melded together into a single kind of dual compliant product. Now, there's not a lot of those out there. And this is an area that a lot of offshore life insurance companies have the flexibility to address. So for instance, a company out of Bermuda, a private placement company, can manufacture a type of product that could meet dual compliance in several countries. Now, that's not to say every country can be accounted for here. There may be some trade-offs where you're just looking for the best situation possible you can with a life insurance policy. Now, certainly, we want to be able to help. Remember, Life Insurance Strategies Group does not sell products. We help our affluent and institutional clients make decisions regarding complex life insurance transactions. And if we can help you, reach out to us at lifeinsurancestrategiesgroup.com.